Well, do you have a New Year's resolution to finally make those changes that you've been wanting to make to yourself? You know, take some years off your face, even maybe sculpt your body. Well, you've got a chance to win a makeover, and it's a doozy. This is Dr. J.D. McCoy of Contour Medical, and he's here to talk about a big gift that one lucky viewer is going to get, and we're going to tell you how to go about that in just a moment. First of all, welcome and happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Okay, so you're going to kind of run us through the gamut here of all, you guys do so many different procedures there. But first of all, the most important thing, Dr. McCoy, is when somebody comes into your office, you need to sit down and find out what they need, what their body needs. You just can't walk in and say, I want this and I want that. It's really based on what your body needs, is that right?
Absolutely, and a big part of it is an education process for the patient, because like you said, sometimes the patient doesn't really know.
Right.
And we have to educate them so that we can figure out what is going to be the best individualized plan for that patient.
And it's not necessarily the procedure itself, but it's the type of procedure that you can do to them, right? Because you offer so many different things. Okay, so the consultation's important. I want to start with the face, and then we're going to work our way down, okay? When it comes to anything that somebody does to their face, there are things that you can do that offer a temporary quick fix and things that offer a little bit longer lasting. First of all, let's talk about the temporary one. What kind of treatment would that be?
Most of your temporary treatments are going to be things like Botox and Dysport, which relaxes muscle.
Okay.
Or things that add volume in a temporary fashion. Things like Restylane, Restylane Silk, Restylane Lift, all of those products. Juvederm as well.
Okay.
All of those things add volume and restore the volume that's lost as we age.
And when you say temporary, what do you mean by that?
Temporary will mean anywhere from 6 months to maybe at the most 18 months.
Oh, okay, that long. Okay, well that's pretty good. That's pretty good. What would you do if somebody wanted something a little bit longer lasting? What type of procedure would that be?
The direction of my practice has shifted to emphasizing more longer lasting correction, because that's what patients want.
Yes.
So I would use things like Sculptra and Bellafill, and these are products that have indications of 4 years, 5 years, and I've even seen the 10-year safety data.
Oh, really?
So much longer lasting, which lets us progressively correct a patient so that they actually get better over time.
And that goes, and that's just for the face?
Full face.
Okay, all right. Gosh darn it, we're running out of time. We have so much to talk about. Quickly, facial rejuvenation. Lots of different treatments available to us. How do you decide which one works for your patient?
A lot of it is using good 3D imaging to show the patient what's going on with their face.
Okay.
Looking at their sun damage, their redness, their pore size, their fine lines. And we'll typically combine different light-based treatments, and the winner right now is Halo in our office, which is the newest, latest and greatest laser resurfacing with no downtime.
Okay, that's the important part. And then with the holidays, we don't have time for that anyway.
Absolutely.
So results with no downtime. Let's move on to the body, because there are parts of our body I know there's not anybody out there who doesn't say there's something that bugs them. So what are our options when it comes to body contouring?
It's overwhelming, because body contouring, there's all these devices. When you Google it and research, it can be confusing.
Yes.
The thing that's great, at our office, we have every piece of technology that can be used for body contouring. There's nobody in Arizona that has all the devices I do. Number one would be UltraShape, which is focused ultrasound for fat reduction.
Okay.
Cool Sculpting, which freezes the fat. Thermi 250, which is the newest FDA-approved device for tightening and contouring. Vanquish, you name it, we've got it.
Oh my gosh. Which again is why the consultation is so important.
It's huge,
Okay, all right, so let me just tell you about this. This is huge, you guys. Dr. McCoy brought a very exciting gift for you. Now, if you want to start the new year with a new you, next Tuesday, mark your calendar, December 15th, one viewer will win a $10,000 gift certificate to be used toward a full body makeover. The procedures will be determined, of course, after that all-important consultation with Dr. McCoy. So keep your eye on abc15.com/win. That's how you enter, okay? And we'll remind you because that's going to be on Tuesday, December 15th, so don't worry, but mark your calendar as well. Okay, but if you call right now and reserve your spot for an evening of complimentary consultations on Tuesday, December 15th, you'll get 25 units of Dysport or Botox. That's a $300 value right there. Contour Medical, here's where they're located, 3345 South Val Vista Drive. That's Suite 103 in Gilbert. Here's the number to call to make sure you reserve your seat, 480-545-2832, or go to contourmedical.com.